Back again with a brand new leak for the Samsung Galaxy S22 series, in which we will be discussing about a massive new leak regarding the pricing of the upcoming S22 series in the US. Also some leaked images regarding the Galaxy S22 series which will be utilized. Also some leaked images that are intended for the official page of the phone on Samsung.com, which give us a comparison of the three Galaxy S22 phones. And finally, we have a disappointing rumor regarding the S22 and S22 Plus availability date that are going to be pushed forward in March. So starting from a massive new leak regarding the pricing of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, well, you already know in previous rumors that it was discussed that the pricing for the upcoming Galaxy S22 series will be $100 more than the last year S21 series. Well, it turns out those were untrue because the leakster John Prosser today has shared the official pricing of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, and according to his sources, the upcoming Galaxy S22 base model will be priced around $799, whereas the S22 Plus will be around $999 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be around $1199, which is probably going to be the same pricing that we have seen in the S21 Ultra. Honestly, I was hoping that Samsung will be bringing those pricing that we have seen in the S21 series, because there has been a little bit of improvement in the S22 Ultra as compared to the S21 Ultra. Anyway, moving forward, we have another massive leak that has been arrived, and it has been shared by Evenblast, which is also a reputable leakster on Twitter, which features the images that seems to be intended for the official page of the phone on Samsung.com. So basically, these images will provide us a nice visual confirmation of all the specs we have heard so far. So starting from the display of all the three devices, the Galaxy S22 will be coming with a 6.1 inch of a display. The S22 Plus will keep its 6.6 inch display, and the S22 Ultra will be slightly shorter and slightly wider than its predecessor, as it is coming with an S Pen inside. All three models will be having a dynamic AMOLED 2-time display with 120Hz maximum refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. The S22 and S22 Plus will max out at 1300 nits of brightness, while the Ultra will go up an impressive 1750 nits of brightness. These images were scattered from the Italian side, so Exynos 2200 is the chipset of the choice for European market. Well, next up is the camera. The S21 Ultra will stand up on the top with 108 megapixel of a main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel of telephoto and 10 megapixel of periscopic zoom with 100 times of space zoom and a super clear gloss. The selfie camera will have a 40 megapixel resolution, whereas the S22 and S22 Plus will share their camera hardware, starting with the 50 megapixel of a main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel of telephoto with 30 times of space zoom, whereas the selfie camera will be a 10 megapixel for 4th year in a row. For video, the phones will be able to capture 8K video with a super HDR and at best image stabilization on the Galaxy phone jet. Next up is the charger. The Galaxy S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra will support 45 watt of charging, while the vanilla S22 will have to make to do a 25 watt of charging speed. Chargers will be sold separately, mind you, and the retail packaging will only contain USB-C to C cable and a SIM ejector pin. The only exception is that the S22 Ultra will come with an S Pen out of the box, but according to the new leak coming from John Prosser, and it has been backed up by Ross Young, that the upcoming Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus might have a delay even if you pre-order the device, and you could get those devices to be available to you in the month of March. Whereas interestingly, the S22 Ultra will be available to the masses on the February 25. Anyway guys, I am super excited about the Galaxy S22 series. Anyway guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on the pricing? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.